Hey there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. I just finished filming a great customer testimonial video here in this kitchen. I thought it would be the perfect spot to announce to you a brand new product we're launching, kitchenCRATE Tops and Splash. So historically we focused only on complete kitchen and bathroom remodels, and other than cabinet refinishing, we really haven't done any standalone services. Well, all that's changing with kitchenCRATE Tops and Splash. With the recent acquisition of AAI Tile and Stone, we're now doing countertop fabrication and tile in-house. So if you have a kitchen countertop and splash project that needs attention, the same crew at Kitchen and Bath Crate can help you out. 888-995-7996 or kbcrate.com. Thanks so much.